Good morning everyone! So just a life update. Today is officially our first day of school dito sa school namin. I don't want to say the name. Basta yun. And then, good morning, Miss Rose! So ngayon, merong free coffee dito sa library. I'll show you the library. Here's our library. Wala pang tao. And here's the coffee. Natakot kapag hindi niya kamukha. Good morning everyone! Today is April 16 and it's 20 degrees Celsius. So, ang lamig pa rin dito sa Qatar. Actually, parang ito yung longest winter dito sa Qatar. Kasi, usually, mga first week of April, mainit na. But then, the weather's still fine. Good afternoon everyone! So today it's still April 16 and it's a Thursday, so happy weekend! Ngayon is para maiba naman ang ating start ng ating weekend. Magpipiknik kami rito sa park. Dito lang sa Al Janoub Gardens. Na-open lang siya nung December kasabay nung Qatar National Day. Qatar National Day, so ito siya. So before you get in, you have to show the security guard yung SDAN app with your contract. So yung mga outsiders, hindi sila basta-basta makakapasok dito. Yan, here's the look of the park. May mga playgrounds. Tapos dito is very good kasi merong mga chairs and tables. Ayan, ayan si Kuya. So check niya. Okay. Hello. Thank you. Ayan, oh. Merong running and walking paths. Ayan. Di ba ang ganda? Mamaya mas maganda to pag nighttime because there are lots of lights. There'll be lots of lights. Ayan. Ayan, there's a fountain. There are two Al Janoub Gardens. So, ito yung sa kabilang side, yung left. Tapos, meron sa kabila ulit. Ito yung malapit sa Lulu Hypermarket. Tapos, yung kabilang side, medyo mas maikli lang yung park. But, almost the same. Ayan, ang cute, oh. Oh. Tapos, meron din dito na pwede ka maglagay ng shop mo or food stalls, ayan. Kaya lang wala pang nagbibenta rito. So, FYI, if you are an Al Janoub Gardens resident, kasama to sa mga perks, okay? So, gym, pool, and itong park. Ayan. Dito na other side. Ba? Tapos, everyday nilang nililinis to. Yan, so clean, super clean. This is our food. In order namin sa kita. Anong restaurant to? Ang restaurant na to is Turkish Grill House. Ayan yung Arabic meze. And of course, ang favorite namin ni TJ, McDonald's wrap. Ayan si Maxine ang kanyang burger without vegetables. Okay, we're done eating. So, lakad-lakad muna. Pampababa ng kinain. Say TJ hi.
Hi.
Hi to Kevin.
Can you cut the part out?
Iba na name niya. Ano na name niya ni Kevin?
Here's Max.
Reggie?
Si Reggie na pala si Kevin. Bro, today is April 22 and Happy International Support Staff Day. At meron kaming coffee beanery coupon from our principal. Miss Evelyn, say hi. Siyempre, ang saya namin, no? Share ko lang.
A few moments later.
Kempinski. Super nice. Yayamanin. Mga brew, another day, another vlog. And today is Saturday, April 25. And dito tayo sa Kempinski. It's our fun day. Hindi ako masyadong mag-vlog ng mga tao ha, kasi baka mapagalitan tayo. Okay, kasi mga staff namin eh. Alright, so mainit. And everyone, ito, nasa beach pala sila. Here's our table. Medyo mainit lang. Hintayin natin gumalaw ang araw. Siyempre, unahin natin ng drinks. Free drinks. Okay? Let's go.
Thank you.
Anong kinuha mo? Ayun, social na naman si, opa ko. Thank you. I got my wine. Cheers!
And tables.
After the food, ito, kain tayo. Let's eat. We're still choosing. Ha? Salad. I thank you. Nak, you can have the pasta na lang if you want. No? Yan, Maxine will have pasta. Favorite niya yung white sauce. Yan, they're gonna cook for you. I got my food. Let's eat na po. Alright mga bro, this is the end of my vlog. Hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jenny in a Bottle. See you in my next video. Bye! Okay guys, just wanna say na back to normal na po ang Doha, Qatar or ang Qatar. Open na ang mga lahat ng schools and establishments, and you can have your indoor and outdoor events. So, yung mga gatherings, okay na lahat. Wala nang restrictions. So, we are just thankful about it. Okay? Yun lang naman po. So, kung may mga nababalitaan pa rin kayo sa news na nagkakagulo rito, but I don't think it's true. Kasi, lahat na naman ay back to work, back to school. Okay? That's it.